Monday, March 12th. Oh my God, made in Taiwan. I feel so much better. Anyways, we got a Durablast here. New distributor. New distributation. Of course, it doesn't have brass or copper distributor cap on there. I think this is the right one. They said it was. We're going to see. So I got to get the old one out there. I know how it goes, but I can't see the screw or the bolt or nothing. Got all the wiring harness in the way on this one, this particular model. So I got to dig in there to get that out of there. Alright, the first thing you're going to have to do is get all these tubes and pipes and junk out of the way just so you can get to the distributor. You can't get through all this crap. Alright, so you might as well just take the whole top of the air filter off and just get... Uh-oh. Lost one of those hose clamps. We'll find that later. It's down there somewhere. So, at least we can see the distributor now. That makes it so much easier. Well, we can almost see it. We got to get this plug off of here somehow. I don't know how that goes on there. Of course, you can't see anything, and you can't get down there because the wiring harness is right in the way, and all this other stuff is zip tied to it. Oh, that's the throttle cable. That's zip tied to it, so you can't. I don't know how this thing. Maybe it just pops out off of there. That'd be a shame if I broke it. Too bad there's no videos on YouTube to show you how this piece of... Alright, after several minutes of prying and pushing, it's a little tab. You got to pull down on that, push down on that, and that unlocks it. So that's how that comes off. Alright, so we got that out of there. Alright, with all those air pipes out of the way, it's a lot easier to get in there and get the distributor cap off. So, you know, it's a good move taking that off first. You're never going to get that out of this. Okay, there's our engine or our distributor orientation. We want to get the new one back in the same location, same rotation with the rotator on there. So it's going to be with the slot down there almost pointing right at that pin, and with the looks like it's cocked just a little this way, not quite. You see the line there? It's not quite straight off the block. It's a little bit curved there, or a little tilted that way. So that's how we're going to put the new one back in, I suppose. And there it is. I think that's the perfect wrench. It's got a 1/2 inch on one end, 9/16 on the other, and it's a little stubby. I think it goes in there.